going to retrace this heron in a marsh and create a DXF file. I'm going to use this file in the fiber laser. I'm just quickly going to show how I traced out this image to create a DXF file, which I'm going to run on the fiber laser. I'm going to do an outline of the heron in a marsh. The other thing is, this diagram here is about 16 inches by 16 inches, and the fiber laser is in metric, so I had to reduce the size of the blue heron down to about 55 millimeters by about 82 millimeters. And that's not a problem when you're using Lightburn for the software to run the fiber laser. Here I did that shrinking down to the 55 millimeters by about 80 millimeters, and I'm also setting up the parameters for the laser outline. Once all the parameters are set up, I'll just send those settings over through the USB connection to the laser. Lightware software is great because it enables you to get a preview before you do your actual burn. You can see here the outline was very quick. It looks good. I thought I'd also show my setup here with the computer and the laser and also the exhaust port at the back.